Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made $6,000 clipping for Adin Ross. This is no BS. The production of this video is really bad, but it's literally just value. I just drop value and then I disappear. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to join Adin Ross's clipping server. Now, this is where he pays you $250 per million views you get, right? And this is a fixed CPM, meaning that it's a rate per million. So that's how many views you get paid per million. Now, guys, you can do this on YouTube Shorts, you can do this on TikTok, and you can do this on Instagram. Instagram was the main thing I made most of my money on, gained 6K. And basically, what you want to do, guys, to get started is you want to go onto Adin Ross's thing on kick.com. Then you want to go down to clips, right? And this is where the viewers are automatically clipped Adin Ross's content. So you don't even have to look for the clips yourself while watching your stream. You can see clips here, right, with FaZe Rug. Essentially, what you want to do is you want to take that 1 minute long clip, and find the best moments. It might only be 20 seconds of it, right? Then you want to make a video like this through CapCut. I have a full tutorial, guys, in my Discord, which is down below, and it's a completely free guide on how you can start clipping for free. And guys, basically what you want to do is you want to make a clip like this. So as you can see here, all you need to do is put the kick logo, and essentially that is one of the guidelines that you want to do. So over in here, overlays for clips, you need to put the kick logo, and this is the content they kind of want you to make. Which is basically this video here. So you can see the different logos and versions of logos. So you've got the green one, the white one, and the opaque one. So whichever one you guys want to use, you can use, and you get paid for them all. So essentially, once you guys do that, you then want to go back onto then you want to go on CapCut. You want to make a video like this, you want to make a clickbait title like this, an interesting moment, as this would have been clipped in the stream. So that's how you would have found the clip. Then you just take the clip, you put it into CapCut, you do this background, which I show you in my free Discord down below, which goes you through how to clip for free. I don't make any money off of it. And then you basically make a clip like this. All right, so there's serious money in this, okay? So the views you can obviously get are dependent, but videos like that can do anywhere from 10 to 50k. So you've got 38,000. And the best strategy, guys, is volume, right? So if you post 4 clips a day on 10 different accounts, well then I'm saying that's 40 clips a day. And if every single clip is getting 2,000 to 10,000 to 50,000 views, you can see how that easily racks up, and you can start making literally thousands from this. So that's literally one of the best methods to start clipping for Adin Ross. If you guys want to join Adin Ross's clipping server, shoot me a DM and join my Discord down below. And if you guys are serious about clipping and want to make money with it, again, replicate how I made $6,000, join my Discord. I go for it literally completely for free. Links down below. And yeah, but this is literally the simple answer. And I go into full detail on how I structure clips to go viral, get more views and everything else, but this is literally just a quick value drop. This is how you do it. And one thing before I go, guys, I will say this is better than content rewards. You guys have probably seen this. It's WAP content rewards, and on this they get you to clip for random ass companies like Dub. No one's heard of Dub, no one knows what the fuck it is. And the thing is, yeah, they pay 1.5k per million views, and Adin Ross only pays $250, right? But you got to think, which is easier to get views for, Adin Ross or this random company called Dub? And at the end of the day, you're going to choose Adin Ross, aren't you? So that's an easy way how you can start clipping for Adin Ross and start making money and monetize the content you make for him. And it's better than the Creator Awards program, in my opinion, on WAP. And basically as well, there's no better threshold either. So you can kind of start clipping from 1,000 followers to even less than that, okay? You can start making money and monetizing your views. So you don't even need 10k to get into Creator Awards program on TikTok. Super simple. So you guys, if you enjoyed the value drop, you enjoyed the video, join Discord down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.